These two are singing Christmas song.
You wish you Merry Christmas. You wish you Merry Christmas. But tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you. Here is your gift in advance. And here Shania.
Shania, come here. Come here. We will start na look. We will start na our Christmas decoration.
Yes.
What is that, Shania? Last year. This is last year's.
But I
Yes.
think this is not enough.
Yes.
We will try to buy more decoration. Look.
Yes.
Keep this. And what is this, Tina? Look.
This is my habit to keep it, Bimbo. Look, Shania is very excited to put her Christmas tree up.
Yes.
Yes, and but we will buy more things, Shania. We will check, yes, what we need, because last year we buy couple of things.
Happy Christmas, guys. When it's Christmas time, we are gonna do it again.
Yes, so let's go. Be ready, shower, and we will go to shop to buy the things for Christmas. Merry Christmas from Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Shania. Guys, today we come here to this shop. Last year we done purchasing here as well. It's very beautiful. So we are going to purchase the thing for our house
Yeah,
decoration.
Christmas decoration.
Okay, so let's see what they have.
Pasko na naman guys. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Christmas na ulit. Nandito pa ulit kami sa India. So anyway, advance Merry Christmas. Oh, ang gaganda ng mga Christmas decoration here in India. So I want to buy this one, yeah?
This one
This
or
one.
this one?
This
This
one
one?
is more beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah, for outside. How many card? You have to know our start. Thank you. And
We will choose from here, Christmas tree.
yes, and this is for our like.
Nina, select what you want.
You like these chocolates?
Yes.
How about this bell? Bell. Small Santa. We'll buy small Santa for the Christmas tree.
Nina, do you want this? Or?
Which one, Shania? This one or this one? So I'm buying these for our wall. It looks beautiful. Shania's favorite Santa.
Oh, it's in Santa.
So we're buying this one as well, right?
Shania is buying 10.
Okay.
And as well as first time I am getting a Christmas tree.
Yes.
Christmas tree. So let's pay na?
Yes,
Let's
let's
pay
go.
na. Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas again. So guys, we are paying now our Christmas decoration because last year we bought already, so those are only we need for this Christmas.
So guys, our Christmas shopping is done. And we are going to put Christmas tree today. It's for Shania and baby Dion. Very happy moment, excited moment.
Because
Baby
Nini
feel
and
like,
yeah,
Christmas.
Nini is very excited and Kayon. Okay, Nina?
Yes.
So happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas to all of you from Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. as you know, Christmas is festival of joy and happiness, and we are doing our decoration with our family. Shania,
Nini, help mommy.
this year we are putting Christmas tree little bit late. Last year before we done on the 1st of December, yes. But this year, due to some circumstances, we are little bit late, but not too late even, because here in Gujarat they are not putting. They will put on 20 of December, yes.
So Nini, help me, mommy, look. Okay. But this year we have many stuff for Christmas tree, yeah? And we will put as well Christmas light. Okay?
So Shania, we will put the
Which first? I think this. I think this one green.
green one first. Then
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Circle it.
I like this.
Nini, look, mommy first. This one, Nini.
Shania, come here.
Pasko na naman. Yes. Circle.
Yes. Wait.
Wait.
So guys, our Christmas tree is ready now. Very beautiful with lightning. It's look amazing. Yes, Shania?
And this time, Nini is waiting for this moment. to
Every
put-
children, they want the star to be up. Shania, yay!
Okay. Help mommy. Oh, thank you, Nina. So,
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Nina.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Guys, whatever happened in our life, this is a festival of happiness. So we should celebrate always. It is time for happiness, sharing and caring. So whatever happened last year
Or this year.
this year, whole world we face ups and downs. Many lose their loved ones. I know. But guys, this is time for our children. We should celebrate. That's why we are celebrating. Shania?
Yes.
Yeah, Christmas is for children, as you know, yeah?
Yes.
And whatever happens in this world, we should fight against all this pandemic and be with our children to celebrate this happy moment in their lives, yeah? Christmas Day.
Yes. Even though if you can't go out, this is the simple way we can do with our family.
Okay, so we finished now our simple Christmas decoration.
Yes.
Yeah, we have here. And Merry Christmas is there. Merry Christmas. We have some stars there. Nini put a small Christmas tree there, and also out by the window, and some stars here. And this one, Merry Christmas, Santa Claus. Okay?
And we are going to do more lightning outside.
Yeah, tonight. Yeah.
Tonight.
We will switch on our Christmas light outside.
In the night.
Happy Christmas, guys.
Okay, guys, it's time to switch on our Christmas light.
Yes.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. Tidings we
Merry
bring
Christmas.
to you and your king.
Yes.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Careful, Shania.
We all
Look, my one is
like
still.
figgy pudding.
Merry Christmas.
We all like figgy pudding. We all like figgy
Merry Christmas,
pudding.
Shania.
So bring it out here. The tidings.
So guys, Merry Christmas to all of you. So it's time for shout out now. So number one, thank you very much to Madam Rosalind Crema from USA, Madam Lionel Grove and Mr. Peter Grove from Switzerland, and Mr. and Mrs. Donna and Reggie from Canada, and the other one is Rochelle and Goel from California. So thank you very much guys, and Shama.
Ate Maribeth from UK. A big shout out for Ate Maribeth. Ate Dolly from Japan and Madam Serikonde from California. Hope Madam Serikonde you're alright. And happy Christmas to all of you. And I think so in Philippines they are very very busy at the moment.
Yeah, they are really busy now this moment. I think two weeks before Christmas, yeah?
Christmas, I know. I was in Philippines and I know malls, families, shopping, sweet.
We really miss Christmas in Philippines.
But due to some reason,
Yeah.
you know,
We were
can't
dreaming to celebrate Christmas this year in Philippines, but you know, because of this pandemic, it's very strict again.
Strict again.
So anyway, we are happy as well here, even we are far from my family. They understand our situation. So wherever we are, outside Philippines, we should celebrate Christmas happily. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please continue to support us and please don't forget to subscribe.
And please support us. Happy Christmas to everyone. And please follow us on Facebook page and
Instagram. Thank you. Happy Christmas.